My name is Dimas Ali Ramdhani. I'm from Widyatama University. Plan business, DIMS outdoor, rental service. Business background. I want to start a business, especially in the field of outdoor equipment rental service, caused by several factors. Because outdoor activities such as mountaineering is now very much loved by young people, whether it is high school children, students, and as employees or entrepreneurs. But one of the problems that often faced by climbers is the expensive equipment for camping. While the equipment needed is very much and varied, such as bags or carrier, tent, sleeping bags, mattress, stove table, and others. So, the best solution is to rent. That case, the case that I used to start a camping equipment rental business. The risk is not too great because only once you buy equipment can be rented out for several times. As for the naming of my place of business is DIMS Outdoor. In addition to hobby factor, as for other factors that are because I know I feel that to buy equipment climbing tools, it costs a little more than beginner climbers. Therefore, I want to have friends or fellow nature lovers so that their hobbies can be released without having to think about buying climbing tools because it is requires a fairly expensive cost. Purpose of business creation. 1. To fulfill the final semester assessment on English for Business course. 2. To train students to be able entrepreneurship well. 3. Make last efforts and innovation specifically in the field. 4. To increase experience and knowledge about entrepreneurship. 5. As a means to facilitate for climbers who do not yet have the ability to. Business benefits. I can help entrepreneurs to expand their business and test strategies and results that are expected from the point of view of other parties or investors. 2. Helping entrepreneurs to think critically and objectively over the field of business to be carried out. 3. Help increase the success of entrepreneur product for rent. 1. Camping tents. 2. Sleeping bag. 3. Outer jacket. And 4. Headlamp. 5. Nesting. 6. Carrier bag. 7. For table stop. 8. Mountain shoes. 9. Trekking pole. 10. Hammock. 11. Face seat. And 12. Mattress outdoor. Business planning. Target market. 1. The market of camping equipment rental business is junior high school students, and the general public who are happy with outdoor activities. 2. Because the camping equipment rental business is the main target among students and nature lovers, then we must choose the right location also around the campus. At least the location can be reached no more than 15 minutes, and location also determines the number of consumers who come. The point is, if the location is strategic enough, then it will most likely be filled with other from numbers of communities of nature lovers. B. Market strategy. 1. As the first step, we can do word of mouth promotion with the target of some community of nature lovers on campus. 2. The second step is that we can utilize online media to promote and expand the network. For example, by creating a website that contains the content advantage of rental as well as what type of equipment can be rented, including the rental price of each tool. 3. In addition, marketing can also be done by spreading brochures among students and fellow nature lovers. Estimate initial capital and monthly income. Initial capital details 1,000 and total amount 31,225,000. Next, weekly income and total amount 1,434,000. Weekly income 1,434,000 refer 4 and then 5,736,000 monthly net income. Gross 5,736,000 plus rental 750,000. Electricity costs 100,000. Maintenance goods 200,000. Net income 4,686,000. From the monthly profit can be used to increase rental equipment in order to handle when flooded, with others from a number of communities of nature lovers. Conclusion. In making or starting a business, engage in service, we need to prepare a business planning. No need to be complicated, because if it is too complicated, it takes a long time. Making a business plan is necessary for the protection of our business and to know how far it can go. Establishing a business must also there to be my risk that will be pressed. And thank you.